Today, I'm going to show you how to set up Google Chrome to automatically clear your browsing data every time you close the browser. If you want to make sure your private info and activity are wiped away at the end of every session, whether it's to keep things tidy, protect your privacy, or just to start fresh each time, stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make it happen. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your Google Chrome browser. This process works best on the desktop version, so go ahead and make sure you're not on mobile. Once Chrome is open, take a look in the top right corner. You'll see 3 small dots lined up vertically. Click on those. That little menu is like your gateway to all of Chrome's deeper settings. Find and select Settings from the drop-down list. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Sometimes it's labeled with a gear icon to help you spot it. When you are in the Settings menu, look to the left sidebar for an option called Privacy and Security. Click on that. This section is really important because it controls all the privacy-related features, from cookies to permissions, basically everything that helps keep your browsing experience safe and, actually private. Take your time finding it. If you don't see the sidebar, sometimes you need to expand your window or look for a little hamburger menu, especially if your Chrome is in a compact view. Now, inside Privacy and Security, scroll down just a bit until you spot Site Settings. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Chrome lets you fine-tune how websites can interact with your browser. Think of it as setting ground rules for every site you visit, whether they're asking to store cookies, use your camera, or save other types of data. You're in the right spot if you see options like notifications, pop-ups, or permissions. Next, scan down until you find something labeled Additional Content Settings. Sometimes this option is collapsed, so you might need to click a little arrow or expand more button right beside it. Don't worry if you have to hunt around for a second. Chrome likes to keep some of these settings neatly tucked away to avoid overwhelming users. Once you expand that, you'll see a setting called On-Device Site Data. Click on it. This specifically controls the data websites save onto your computer through Chrome. Things like cookies or cached files that help sites load faster or remember you. This is important because this is the kind of data we want Chrome to automatically clear out when you're finished browsing. Within this section, now you should see an option that says something along the lines of Delete data sites have saved to your device when you close all windows. This is the magic switch. Click on it to activate automatic data clearing. What this does is, every time you fully close Chrome, all windows, not just specific tabs, Chrome will erase the stored site data for you. Think of it like tidying up your desk whenever you walk away. Nothing gets left behind for the next person or the next session. Just a quick note, the first time you turn this on, you might notice sites take a little bit longer to load, or you may have to log in again to certain sites, since Chrome won't remember your info. That's totally normal and a fair trade-off for the privacy boost you're getting. And that's it. You've now set Chrome to automatically wipe browsing data every single time you close it. It's a simple change that has a big impact on your privacy and peace of mind. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, just drop a comment below. I'm here to help. And of course, subscribe for more straightforward tech how-tos just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.